My name's Alexandra. I'm studying the Diploma of Early Childhood Education and Care at VU Polytechnic. We go to class 3 days a week and then we have an online component as well. So usually that's about 2 days worth of study, but we can do them in our own time. I like having flexibility in my online learning while also being able to have a relationship with the teachers. Going out on placement and having that hands-on experience is invaluable. Knowing how to have meaningful relationships with children, just skills that you need but you can't learn necessarily unless you're sitting with a child. It's great to build networks and to meet other educators and new people involved in centres because they offer us a variety of opportunities in terms of work and references. VU Polytechnic gave me a lot more direction with what I could do with my passion and my skills, and that's just turned into goals of wanting to always be around children and see them grow and develop and achieve all the milestones that they should.